Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button before we get started. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey my beautiful lotus babies. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a delicious red drink that is great for chakra energy balancing. It is also great for vitamin C. It is potent in antioxidants, and it is yet another hydrating recipe. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you've never done juicing for the first time and you want to try it, I would recommend that you start with something like watermelon. The high water content that is within watermelon helps you stay hydrated. It boosts skin cell turnover, causing your skin to appear healthier, much faster. It may relieve muscle soreness. The list just really goes on with this one. So I love pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with so many benefits. Let me start by saying that pineapple aids in digestion, immunity, and it may also ease symptoms like swelling and arthritis. It's loaded with antioxidants, helping fight against cancer-producing cells and osteoporosis, infection, and recovery after surgery or a biomass workout. Sis, you gotta get you some pineapple. It's only right. Not to mention for us ladies, we know what pineapple does. They say if we're eating a ton of pineapple, what it does for our skin and what it does for our pum pum down there. So sis, get you some pineapple and go ahead and throw that thing in a blender, blend it up and strain it. Or if you have a juicer like the Nama juicer, sis, you already know what to do. I've never been a big fan of raspberries until I read up on all the benefits of this silent goat. Raspberries are relatively small, yet they pack so much potassium and manganese, both which are great for bones and skin. The omega fatty acids in raspberries also make them perfect for lowering blood pressure. Raspberries are sweet and tart, and when paired with mint, it takes it up to the level of 10. I swear to you, it's so good. It's so sweet and it's really refreshing. You guys should really try it.